What's up guys, we're back. So it's been super hot and I've been working on a little toy, I guess. I made a new nozzle because all of the nozzles that I got suck. They don't put out enough water fast enough for when it's hot, like right now, where you don't want to be out here forever and you want to water your plants in a way that's going to be a little softer. So this is kind of like a flood, but in addition to that, the water and how it comes out is a lot like softer. It doesn't like erode your soil or your mulch. Some of the nozzles that I got, when you turn it up to higher flow, it shoots all of this mulch and kind of like knocks it out. So I figure maybe I could just make my own. So it's actually pretty simple. If you guys are interested in seeing, maybe I'll make a video. But this has been working well. I mean, it just kind of comes out a little softer. So this has a lot more flow than your flood mode on your nozzles. Like some of your nozzles will have 5, 6, 7, 8 different types of spray patterns, and one of the patterns might be like a flood mode. So this one flows more than the flood, which is nice, especially like right now when it's super hot and I don't want to be out here forever. So I want to put down the water quickly so I can just move on and go to the next tree real quick. Essentially this thing cost me $6 worth of parts that you can buy at your local hardware supply store, and it works pretty good. Also, I've been using this spray bottle to help spray the trees down, to kind of help cool them down. It's only about half of a gallon of water or so, but it does cover maybe 1 or 2 trees, 1 or 2 avocado trees. Just fill it up with water. I've been using just plain water. You just pump it up and then spray. I was using a spray bottle, and you gotta really pump that to spray your tree down. It's one way to help cool the tree down so you don't have to drag a hose all the way out to your furthest avocado tree. But with this, you just pump it a couple times and you just hook it, and you don't really have to keep on pumping it, and it just continues to spray. So it's kind of nice. Let me know, are you guys using something like this to help cool your trees down? Am I crazy to do this? I don't know. What do you think? Anyways, talk to you guys later. See ya.